Hello guys, Insta Pro V12 is here with exciting new features and a sleeker experience. In this video, we break down everything added in the 2025 update from improved privacy settings to faster performance and new download tools. So watch this before updating your application. So, InstaPro just released its brand new version 12 update for 2025 and it's packed with new features you'll want to know about. If you're using the InstaPro for extra customization, downloading media or privacy control, this version brings even more power to your fingertip. Let's walk through what's new, what's improved and why this might be the best version yet. So, first up, improved media downloads. Now, you can download Reels, IGTV videos and stories with higher quality and faster speed. Downloads now include caption and hashtags as well, which is super handy for repurposing content. Now, one of the most requested updates is finally here. You can hide view on Reels and stories, you can disable typing indicator in the DMs and block seen status on messages. And now you can browse and message freely without letting others know your activity. So InstaPro V12 runs much smoother than previous versions. App load time has been reduced, the UI is more responsive and several bugs like random crashes or glitchy profile previews has been resolved. Now, if you love tweaking your app's look, V12 adds new themes, font styles and home layout options. You can even rearrange tabs like Reels, Explore or Shop to suit your usage. Now, it also has a brand new feature for global users. So InstaPro V12 can now auto-translate messages and post captions into your selected language. Great for connecting with international audience. Also, the built-in ad blocker is now more effective and works even on Reels and stories. You can also mute stories more selectively without affecting the feed algorithm. And if you're already using the InstaPro, uninstall the old version, head to the official website or trusted mod platforms and download the latest APK for version 12. Now, make sure that you allow unknown sources and install it like any regular app. Log in again and your data will be restored. So, InstaPro V12 is a solid leap forward in both performance and functionality. Whether you're here for the downloads, the privacy or the customizations, this version makes the experience even better. Just remember, since it's a modded application, use it wisely and keep an eye out for security risks. Thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying InstaPro V12, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more updates and tutorials every week. Catch you in the next one.